Today we will learn string in C. This is part 2. Before learning this video, you have to learn the first part of this video. Otherwise, you can't get this video clearly. Today we will learn some string related functions. There are several predefined functions declared in string.h header file. Can be used to manipulate string like strlen finds the length of a string, strrev reverses a string, strlwr converts a string to lowercase, strupr converts a string to uppercase, strcpy copies one string to another, strcmp compare two strings, and strcat append one string to another. Take some example. strlen prototype of strlen is int strlen character star. It takes as argument the address of any character variable and return an integer variable. Actually, strlen calculates the length of a string. So here I am declaring one character array. It is what? It is hello. Then len equals to strlen arr. I am passing the address of, here arr means what? Arr means name of this array. Array name means the base address of the array. So I am passing the base address of hello, of the string hello, and it returns the length. Length is an integer variable. That's why I am writing int len1, int len2. So it returns, return type is integer. So it returns the length of hello. So what will be the output? It should be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. strlen happy. In this way you can also pass the string. If we pass the string in this way, the base address of happy will be stored in where? This character star means character star variable means at base address of happy, I am passing the base address of happy and it returns the length of happy. Now when I run the program, first see the code. First see the code. If I write when I run the program, it gives string is hello, length is 5, string is happy, length is 5, hello and happy. Now length is 5. Now what is the difference between strlen and size of operator? If I write in place of strlen size of any string, this string, and then print the size, see, size of hello, I am printing the size of this string, it is 6. Why so? Because size of operator also calculates the /0, means total length become HELLO plus /0. So 5 plus 1, it is 6. So this is the difference between strlen and size of. It also calculates the length with /0. strrev. Here it takes as argument character star, return also character star, means it takes as argument the address of any string and returns the address of another string. Int main character 50 hello, sorry, str50 hello. So this is the string is hello. Now given string is str, after reversing it gives what? It gives the reverse of this string and return the base address of the reverse string. See, the given string is hello, after reversing it becomes this. strlwr prototype is character star strlwr character star. It converts the given string into corresponding lowercase. So given string, it converts its corresponding lowercase. So output should be like this, corresponding lowercase. It takes as argument the address of any string and returns the address of another string. str-upr. Prototype is same, character star str-upr character star. It converts the given string into its corresponding uppercase. So this is our string str-upr str, then output should be like this. I am passing the base address of this string and it gives the base address of the converted string. Now string copy. Prototype is parameter is character star and return type is also character star. It copies the second string into first. See, this is our source string hello and target string. I am declaring target string as with 10 elements, but it is now filled by garbage value. Now strcpy by target source. First you have to write what? First you have to write target where you want to copy and then the source from where you want to copy. Then I am printing source string and target string. See the output. Source string is hello. Target string, it is copied to target string is also hello. But here you have to pass the source string address and target string address, source string address and target string address, base address. Next function is strcmp. Prototype is int strcmp character star. Passing parameter the address of any string, in a base address of any string, another string, and return is it returns integer type. It compares two string and return -1, 0 or 1 indicative values. Return 0 if strings are identical, return -1 if the first string appears before the second string in the dictionary, and returns 1 if the first string appears after the second string in the dictionary. See, I am declaring two strings, Jerry and Mary. Now strcmp string 1 and Jerry. String 1 is what? Compare strcmp, compare the two string strcmp string 1 and Jerry. String 1 is what? String 1 is Jerry. Jerry with Jerry. Which case? Two string are identical. So return 0. So it returns 0. Now strcmp string 1 and string 2, Jerry and Mary. Alphabetically, which one comes first? J and M. Alphabetically, J comes first before M. So which case? It is case 2. Return -1. So see, first Jerry and Jerry. So it is 0. Then it is Jerry and Mary. So J comes first before M alphabetically. So it gives -1. Now strcat string cat. Character star, prototype is character star strcat character star. It gives base address of two string and return another string base address. It simply appends or concatenates the two strings. Means here source string is fox and target string is hello. So you have to write strcat first target string then source string. Source string target string means after concatenation the value will be stored in target string and here you have to write the source string. So here the source string is fox and after concatenation target string is hello, but after concatenation the value will be stored in target string. See the output. First source string is what? Fox. Source string is fox. Then target string after concatenation target string becomes hello fox. Hello fox. Now these are your homework. Try to solve this problem and answer me in the comment section what is the output of these programs. I am waiting for your reply. That's all for today. Thank you.